Hello everyone, welcome back again. It's Rich from Mould, and this week we're looking at 3 ways you can winterise your lawn. The first way you can winterise your lawn is to have a little bit of foresight and a good fertilisation programme. The autumn fertiliser you want to put down as we get near to those winter months is one that is high in potassium, and the reason we want high potassium is that will help protect the plant from all of the diseases and the stresses that it's going to encounter over the winter. Heavy frosts, for example. We have here our Equinox lawn feed, and again this is our spring and autumn feed. You'll see that actually we've got 15% potassium in this product, as well as a few other things like magnesium. We have some seaweed, we have some calcium, but this is really going to make the grass hardy and ready for the winter that it's about to endure. Another way to prepare your lawn for the winter is to start raising the cut, the height of the cut. I like a short lawn. It's one of my issues that I have with my garden. I cut the grass way too short, but if you get into autumn and into winter, you really want to start increasing the height of that cut. Just allow a much larger sward so there'll be more photosynthesis in the plant, which will help keep it healthy. Don't forget, as you go through the winter, your garden will have less light, and it will also have a lower quality of light, which makes it very difficult for the plant to be healthy. So if you want a head start in the spring, just allow your grass to grow a little bit longer, and don't forget that will also help you fend off those weeds in the spring. And the final way you can winterise your lawn is the one that I am always forgetting to do. It's to collect up all the leaves. Not just the leaves, but any garden furniture, those trampolines that are being out. If you leave those outside, your lawn will struggle through the winter. Now, particular attention to leaves. In my garden here, we have loads of mature trees all around, which look lovely, but they drop hundreds of leaves every day. So every day we go out with the rake and we collect them up. Now what you don't want is that leaf mould developing on the lawn and that dark environment where diseases can start to harbour and start to spread. So do yourself a favour, get into the habit of collecting up your leaves, and that'll give you a real great head start in the spring. A few different methods to do that, and funnily enough we have got a video on a leaf blower from Hyundai that we use to collect the leaves. You can check that one out over here. Again, thanks for watching this week everyone. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe as well. Share it with your friends and join us on our Mould Facebook group, My Lawn by Mould. Loads of conversations going on there about the best products to use and about what we should be doing to our lawns at any time of year. And we've also got our free lawn care calendar that you can download from www.mould.uk. So get over there. I'll pop the link for everything, including the Facebook group, below. But don't forget, the most simple way to care for your lawn this year is to subscribe to one of Mould's lawn care subscriptions. We will send you the right product at the right time of year in exactly the right amount. So all you have to do is open the bag and put it down. It really is the most simple way for a perfect lawn. So if you want to see our lawn renovation video, then you can click up here. We did that at the end of autumn. Go and see what those results are. Or if you want to see more videos like this where we discuss 3 ways, then you can click for the playlist down here. Thanks everyone, see you next week.